In this video, I will show you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop on Windows 11. This is a great way to access your Google Calendar quickly from your desktop, making it easier to check your schedule, manage appointments, and stay organized without having to search for Google Calendar every time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tutorials, Google tips, and simple tech guides. Now, to get started with this, you do need to use Google Chrome. So if you do use a different internet browser, like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, what you want to do first is download Google Chrome. Once you've done that, open up a new Google Chrome browser and come across to google.com. Now, from here, if you're not already, you want to sign into a Google account. So you can see I'm currently signed in up here in the top right-hand corner. And once you've done that, you want to click onto the Google Apps icon in the top right-hand corner. And then from here, you can just simply click onto Calendar, which is going to take you across to your Google Calendar. Now, to actually add this to your desktop, all you need to do once you're on your Google Calendar is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots, and from here you want to come and hover over the cast, save and share option. In the submenu that comes up, you're going to see an option which says install page as app. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window at the top, and from here you can give the app a name. So I'm going to leave it as Google Calendar. Now, once that's done, just simply click the install button. And what it's going to do is install this as an app on your computer or laptop. So if I actually close this down, I'm just going to come back to my desktop. You can see Google Calendar has now been added to my desktop. When we double click this, it's going to straight away open up our Google Calendar without having to open up an internet browser, go to Calendar and log in. So that's how to add Google Calendar to desktop on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11, Google and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.